Alrighty, good morning everybody. Welcome to day number 2 of my true amateur tournament experience. I'm making my way through Southpoint Casino. If you've been here before, you recognize this Benny Binion statue and the long walk back to the plaza. So I figured now's a good time to kind of tell you a little bit more about the true amateur tournament and everything. So I bowled yesterday. I shot 633, so I averaged about 212, but it wasn't enough. The cut was like 689, I think. So anyways, day number 2 today. There's 2 squads, so I'll bowl 2 games this morning, and I'll bowl 3 games after that. So the tournament it starts all week. I believe it starts on Monday. And there are several squads that you can bowl in order to qualify for the finals, which is tomorrow on Sunday. I don't know how many they take. I think it's the top 5 of every squad, but a lot of the times, like traditional bowling tournaments, everybody will bowl like all week, and then you take the top at the end. This tournament's a little different, so they take the top ones of the squad that you bowl in. So you can qualify really on any squad you bowl. But they give you discounts and incentives if you bowl more squads. So I'm signed up for the mini marathon, which is 2 squads, 2 VIP squads, and I also get a bowling ball. And this year it's a Storm Ion Pro. So I'll get that. But I'm headed to check in right now. I'm a little out of breath since I took the stairs. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. I'm having a blast, but I hope I bowl good today because I gotta make the cut. So since it's Saturday, I'm assuming that it's gonna be a lot more busy. But anyways, I'm getting here. I'm about to go up the escalators here at Southpoint at the plaza, and I'll show you the differences. All right, so if you guys have bowled here for nationals, usually a lot of these booths are open. Bowling Ball Express is still open, but a lot of these are closed right now. They open at 9, so this is a Storm booth. It does open at 9. This is where you pick up your bowling ball. And they got some other stuff here, like merch shops. This is a merch shop for the TAT. And they got some other vendors here, but you gotta show your card here in order to get your land assignments. So this is the card that you have. They just scan the QR code in the back. All right, so one of the cool things, you can come in here. So you can store your bowling balls here, but they charge you $20. But you can come in and out as much as you want, but it is $20 to do that. But if you've been here before, you also know that they do have lockers available for your bowling balls, and these are only $5, but it's $5 to open it every time. So if you're going to get in once or twice, it's $10. It's still cheaper than paying that one over there, but that one is $20. Come and go as you like. But anyways, I'm here at number 6. Second qualifying squad for the TAT. It's game number 1. Looks like the attention star right up like 9 to 7 is where it needs to be. So here we go. Got to go get him. All right, here we go. 22. Gotta go. Got a little miss room. Little miss room. Thank you, thank you. All right, Joseph, here you go. Take your shots. Oh my gosh. Should have given me that last time.
Yeah.
All right, good game, Joseph. All right, so I got game number 1, done shot 245. Had a really good look with the attention star. Made a stupid mistake. Got a little injury to the thumb, but I'm kind of trying to work through it. I'm not a little lost. The transition is starting to kick in here, so I'm on game number 2. I just got to keep it clean, and I have a pretty good chance of coming back to tomorrow. But first things first, we got to bowl good right now, right? Let's do 23. Oh my gosh. Another 7-pin. Man, this could be the nemesis of me. All right, so game number 2 had a 204. So, man, I just tell you what, spares are kicking my booty this weekend. I haven't been able to make a spare at all. Man, if I make 2 spares, easy spares, I mean, that's 230, that's 236. So, anyways, game number 3, last one. Game 3, started with a strike. I did move, made a 1-and-1 move with the attention star. I went up on the approach just to slow it down a little bit, help it turn the corner. Oh shit, go. I got some hold. Oh, come on, that's not the one. All right, Joseph, good shot.
Got a little room.
I know.
Man, that lane is beautiful.
I know, it's kind of scary.
Yeah. Right into the wheel fall.
I know. Go. Good shot, Joseph. Way to pull that one out. Woo, that was a hard one. No, hit it. There we go. Hook. Woo, that left the bucket. Got that same thing I had last time. We gotta shake that one off, Joseph. Gotta shake that one off. It's foundation frame. Here we go. Come on, go. I'll take it. I'll take it. It's good bowling with you guys. Good bowling with you. Great. Thank you. Thank you.
Are you in the finals already?
I think I just made it with that one.
I didn't want to say nothing so that I could jinx you, but
No, I
want you to keep going, man.
Yeah.
Stay focused.
I missed it by 28 yesterday.
Wow.
And I think I may get it with this one.
I think I just missed that first game. I needed like a 170 something.
Yeah. Yeah. It's great bowling with you though.
Thank you. Same to you.
All right, that's it. Let's see if I made the cut.